up, everyone? Today we are going to be doing a real test video of this light. We're going to go ahead and put this on our scooter at night. So connected to the Type-C cable to activate the unit itself, but this is it. Easy mounting. They provide you with a nice bracket, a controller, that's what we're going to test first, and some more other brackets as well. Okay, so for us, for the remote, what we did was we pressed the button one time, and then we pressed and held this top button right here for 5 seconds until it started blinking green. Now that we did that, we can then press and hold it again to turn it on. So if you can see here, we can now control with the button here. And we can turn it on and off now with the controller, which is really cool. So let's test this out. All right, so this is the black one with the remote. I love the remote because it's easier to control. So let's go for a little spin.